Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the Teapico puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vinco, or Václav Obshivač, a famous Czech puzzle designer who creates amazing wooden puzzles. The Teapico puzzle has difficulty level 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all these parts inside of the box. If you dump all the parts out, be very careful not to lose the parts, since there are 6 balls here and they can escape easily from your desk. There are 6 parts of this size, 6 parts of this size, and 6 wooden balls. And in total there are 18 parts. If you just throw them inside of the box, you will find that you can put only some of the parts, but the rest will be outside, and you have to find a way how to put all of them nicely inside so that all the parts will be flush inside the box, which will be quite a difficult challenge. If you like the Teapico puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already bought this puzzle, try to solve it and didn't succeed, and you want to know the solution, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. I have to make sure that the balls don't escape, since they move freely on a desk and they can run away. So what we have to do, we will start with this small part first, put it right here. Then you put this bigger part on the bottom like that. Then you add another small part right here, and we will add this large part here, and small one goes here. Now, as you can see, we have a square space right there in a corner. It is just enough to feed the ball. Then you grab one of these small parts and put it on top of the ball, and this large part goes here. Then another large part goes to this side, and the small one goes here. Hey, the ball, don't go away. Now we can put the large piece right in here. We have plenty of space in the middle. That's just enough to put the balls inside, but you have to put them in a correct way, or you won't be able to fit all of them inside. So we put them like that. There is a small space right here for another ball. And now you just have to cover the rest of the space with 2 parts. And as you can see, the puzzle is solved. Everything is packed inside the box. No parts are sticking out. And it is quite a neat solution. If you like the Teapico puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Vinco, he has a lot of packing puzzles, a lot of disassembling puzzles, and they're all very well made. So if you want to buy some more of Vinco puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.